Welcome to Inside Factory. Like, subscribe, and press the bell. Welcome inside the billion-dollar world of Coca-Cola manufacturing. Every day, billions of bottles are produced worldwide. Everything starts with highly purified water. Water passes through advanced filtration systems.
Every batch is carefully tested for quality.
Next comes one of the key ingredients, sugar.
Massive tanks mix sugar with purified water. Powerful mixers create the perfect syrup base.
Computer systems control every ingredient.
Then comes the legendary Coca-Cola flavor formula. Only a few people know the real recipe. The syrup is blended under precise conditions. Now carbonation begins.
Carbon dioxide creates the famous fizz.
Next, bottles are rapidly filled. Labels are applied with extreme precision. Labels are printed and wrapped in seconds. Machines seal each bottle perfectly. Thousands of bottles move every minute. Quality systems inspect each bottle carefully. Even tiny defects are instantly removed. Next comes the packaging stage. Bottles are grouped into packs. The same for personal USB pack attacker. Heat wraps the bottles tightly together. Robots stack the packages onto pallets.
Finished products move into giant warehouses.
Forklifts transport thousands of drinks daily.
Each shipment is digitally tracked.
Thousands of crates leave the factory daily. They travel across cities and countries.
Soon the bottles appear in stores.
Millions of people buy it every day.
That satisfying sound means perfect carbonation.
Ice and cola create the ultimate refreshment.
This is the incredible Coca-Cola production process. Thank you for watching this factory tour.
Like and subscribe for more industrial videos.